and honored, and Sonia, thank you so much. The honored to really this award that you have created for all time for Kalam Sahab. I have already said some words earlier about him and about this evening, and I would love to say it again that I'm truly honored to be here. It's an honor to be in the presence of even his memories. So I have been a great fan and follower of Kalam Sahab. So please convey my most humble regards to the family and congratulations again.
Thank you, on the show and Sonia ma'am, that she has created this legacy all over years.
It's a great honor, and I'm very, very happy to collect this award. And Honorable Bharat Ratna APJ अब्दुल कलाम साहब के नाम से ये अवार्ड है, और मैं सबको थैंक्स देना चाहता हूँ, और many thanks to Sonia ji for inviting me here and giving me this award. Such an honor. Very happy.
जी जी जी
अच्छा,
सर के बारे में देर आर नो वर्ड्स बिकॉज दिस इज डॉक्टर APJ अब्दुल कलाम भारत पुरस्कार. कलाम सर ने जो विजन और मिशन निकाला है, तो यू नो जो भी अपने कंट्री को कंट्रीब्यूट करता है, आई थिंक ही इज़ अ लेजेंड. दिस ही ओन्स, ही हैज़ अर्न, एंड दिस इज द रिस्पेक्ट आई थिंक कलाम सर एंड वी कैन गिव फॉर हिज एंटायर जर्नी दैट ही हैज़ गिवन टू द म्यूजिक इंडस्ट्री इन बॉलीवुड. थैंक यू सर.
thank you so much. Thank you.
Qureshi, and I'm totally honored and humble to be receiving this award in the name of APJ Abdul Kalam Sahab. Who's an inspiration to all of us, and I would like to thank Sonia Myers, and to receive this award with such big dignitaries as Udit Narayan ji and Ramesh ji and Manish ji. Really, it's a big honor for me, and I'm really thankful to the full Kalam family for giving me this award. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.
Thank you. The art form of Sir is
Music.
He's so creative. It's not music, it is magic, something that makes history. And I think they have made history. He belongs to the family of Allah Rakha Master Ji and the Jean Stock, and they have the generations to generations of contributed to our Indian cultural music industry. I think it's a big honor for us to have Qureshi sir here, and thank you Tawfiq ji for accepting the award from us.
Thank you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. A very good evening to all of you here. It's been a fantastic evening here today, and I have to commend the spirit of Sonia Myers for putting together the APJ Abdul Kalam Bharat Puraskar here in Mumbai today. It is honestly my privilege to be here and be a part of a legacy, and of course APJ MJ Sheikh Salim, who I deeply appreciate and extend my respects to. Again, a distinguished lineup of awardees who I congratulate from all of my heart, and deep respects to all of you here. I take back a lot of inspiration. I'm deeply privileged and honored to be over here amongst all of you achievers and accomplished individuals of the business and the political diaspora. Thank you very much once again, and it's truly an honor to be here. Thank you.
आज मुझे बहुत खुशी मिल रही है कि मुझे कलाम साहब के नाम का अवार्ड मिल रहा है. बहुत सारे अवार्ड मिले, लेकिन आज का अवार्ड विशेष स्पेशल है, और ऐसा लग रहा है मुझे कि मुझे ऑस्कर अवार्ड मिल गया है. कलाम साहब हमेशा कहा करते थे कि चंद लम्हे ख्वाहिशों को दो, सब कुछ पालोगे जीवन में, बनो प्रणेता नव युग के, नव क्रांति का सृजन करो, बस चंद लम्हे ख्वाहिशों को दो. तो आपकी जो भी ख्वाहिश है उसके लिए आप आप कुछ पल अपने आप को दीजिए, आपकी ख्वाहिशें ज़रूर पूरी होंगी। और मुझे जो आज ये अवार्ड मिला है मेरे फिलैंथ्रोपिस्ट वर्क के लिए मिला है। मैं अपना एक NGO चलाती हूँ, लोड़ा फाउंडेशन, और मैं पोएट हूँ, राइटर हूँ, और मेरा हमेशा यही रहता है कि मैं लोगों की मदद करूं, लोगों के चेहरे पर मुस्कुराहट ला सकूं। आपका जीवन इसलिए महान नहीं बनता कि आपके पास ब्रांडेड कपड़े, ज्वेलरी, घड़ियां हैं या बड़ी बड़ी गाड़ियां हैं। आपका जीवन तब महान बनता है जब आपका नाम लेने से कितने चेहरों पे मुस्कानें आती हैं। अगर आप जीवन में एक चेहरे पर भी मुस्कुराहट ला सके तो आपका जीवन सफल हो जाता है। इसलिए मैं आज के जितने आयोजक हैं उन सब का धन्यवाद करती हूँ कि आज उन्होंने जो भी समाज में कार्य कर रहे हैं उन हीरों को यहाँ चुना, और कलाम साहब के नाम का अवार्ड अपने आप में कोहिनूर है। तो हमें आज बहुत खुशी हो रही है। जय हिंद, भारत माता की जय। जी, मैं सभी से ये कहना चाहूँगी कि आप जो भी सपने देखें खुली आंखों से देखें, और खुली आंखों से देखे हुए सपने जीवन में सच होते हैं। कि कोई कैसे छूता होगा आसमां को, हर किसी के पास तो विमान नहीं होता। गर जज्बा हो दिल में कुछ भी कर गुजरने का, तो कोई भी काम नामुमकिन नहीं होता है। नामुमकिन नहीं होता है कि हवाओं से कह दो कि अपनी औकात में रहें। हम परों से नहीं, हौसलों से उड़ा करते हैं, हौसलों से उड़ा करते हैं। धन्यवाद। जय जिनेंद्र, जय हिंद, और भारत माता की जय।
Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam legacy. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Bharat Puraskar Award. So in the honor of our Dr. Kalam, today we are selected more than 25 people across Maharashtra. First we honored the army people who are contributing for security, and industrialist, and entrepreneur, and businesswoman, and the artist, and especially there's a recipes are from Sole is going to complete 50 years in the August. So it's a wonderful event today. So we are hosted in the help of Sonia ma'am. She is IMFL Institute through she is creating wonderful artists, and also she want to promote India Runway Swadeshi movement across India. In the last year I also participated. This year also in the next level she brought up. So I congratulate the entire team for this Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Bharat Puraskar Award. So still there are people are contributing for our national development. So wherever in COVID or after COVID, now in what situation, whatever things, so they are contributing. So for giving this award, give some motivation to them to do more work, and also the younger generation can take up their work into further developing, contributing Dr. Kalam's vision. Thank you.
Sir, the chief guest asked me. We have given around, we have at least entries around 200 plus, but we could not manage giving everybody. So we made criteria. We focused on children, we focused on senior citizens, we focused on people who have worked for the nation. It is very important that you don't work for yourself, you contribute to the nation. That is why we are here for Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. So many applications, and of course I have to say that we have got 100 fake applications, but we have a very strong jury. They keep asking for many documentations. If they say they have got this award, we ask them for the paper cuttings, we ask them for the certificates, we ask them for proofs. So it's not easy to get APJ. Somebody called me yesterday, ma'am, can I have an award online? And I was asking her, do you get awards online? So I think this system that is in the market, I think media you all should help stop all this fake. That is not awards. Awards are really earned, and we have really sat down with everybody. And we've got people coming all over the world, I think from the globe, who have got Ratna awards, you know, in Geneva, and international filmmakers we've got. So this is a platform which is enhancing its awardees every year. And the value of this award, I think the real people, the real industry, I think now Maharashtra government, Mr. Pradeep ji is there. Pradeep sir from Eknath Shinde, OSD sir, has supported us so much. He has really recognized this award. Thank you, Pradeep sir, for recognizing. And this is important for us. that the award is really, really given to the hardworking. So keep working hard to achieve, I think, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. To Ramesh Sippy sir, yes. We understood that Ramesh Sippy sir is having his golden jubilee, and I have been associated. I do sessions with him because he has an institute. I also have an institute, so we both are mentors. And I approached him, and so sweetly, Ramesh Sippy sir said, "I will come." So I think if you are a legend, it is very important to be humble, and I think that you all have seen in Ramesh Sippy sir's. And I don't think he goes to those fancy awards. He says no, and this is a respect that he is given to Kalam sir. So I think we have achieved a lot.
What are the upcoming things that are coming up? It's the season is
Yes.
and it's about.
We are coming up with Made in India Swadeshi Runway. I think this is a project for the country. We are promoting Swadeshi to the global market. We are doing a world record in the month of November. I think Maharashtra government is, Eknath Shinde's team is supporting us. And yeah, we are all on for that. We are challenging US.
And finally, also the sites for this event, you graced this event. How was the experience?
No, the selecting people and especially for only he is invited for the award is okay, and the family members. So it is a wonderful evening because we have various fields. We have met all the people from students to younger generations to elder generation who are contributed and legends. So wonderful evening. So thank you so much once again for Sonia Mayers. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Dr. Sapna Vadera. I'm a maxillofacial and a facial plastic surgeon. As a surgeon who is specialized in making people look beautiful, giving them the confidence to walk out and carry themselves with the best of the look, so that they can have that confidence to feel their best. For this purpose, we also have a foundation which is called as Aiming for the Stars, where we give free treatment, I would say scientifically backed medical treatments, where especially to the people who are acid attack victims, who are cancer patients, who have lost the will to face the society because of their appearance, because of the devastation of their self-confidence. So we give them back their confidence to walk with the best of the looks in this society. I am the co-founder of Stellar Aesthetics India. We are at Marine Drive, Mumbai. And today I am so honored to receive this award, Dr. APJ Kalam Award, and I thank Sonia for inviting me, for giving me this honor to receive this award. I would also like to thank Dr. Arshi and Shri Salim Sheikh sir for honoring me with this trophy, which is going to be so close to my heart forever. And thank you so much.
So well, it's always great to get recognized and get awarded for the hard work that we put together, and especially if it's on the name of Mr. Abdul Kalam, and Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, of course, is an inspiration to every Indian and everyone who has worked tirelessly in building, the missile man, who of course tirelessly been looking after the country and has been the president of the country and an inspiration to young India. So it's an honor to receive an award that is a tribute to him, as well as an encouragement for us. Thank you.
Actually, it is very important to inspire the new generation by awarding these things, because उनको एक प्रेरणा मिल जाती है काम करने के लिए, उनका हौसला बढ़ जाता है. और थैंक यू टू सोनिया मैम, उन्होंने ये नए जनरेशन का, हमारे जैसे लोगों का सम्मान किया, तो उनके लिए और एक समाज के लिए, एक प्रेरणा के लिए वो काम कर रहे हैं, तो उसके लिए मैडम को भी बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं, और ऐसे ही काम करते रहे. हमारे ग्रुप की ओर से उनको बहुत सारी शुभकामनाएं. थैंक यू सो मच.
It's a privilege and honor to be recognized for this prestigious award, and as a part of privatization in defense, we are trying our best to help India grow in the defense sector, and we'll keep on helping.
क्या कहना चाहेंगे, कैसा रहा, और बाकी सभी जो जजेस थे जो आए थे, कितना अच्छा लगा?
Everything was excellent and very well organized, and I especially come from Delhi, and I'm very happy with the hospitality. Most welcome.
So, you also want to say about the organization of Sonia? The only lady who has been
promote women empowerment, like our Honorable Prime Minister. So in our company, the second director is my wife. So it's our duty. I think women empowerment is very much required, and her carrying this legacy forward is a big thing, and it's a great thing. Thank you.
I feel privileged to be here, and there are very few people in life whom I hold in high esteem, and I think Dr. Abdul Kalam is one of the topmost persons. And as a Fauji, we don't normally salute anyone out in the civilian, but for Dr. Abdul Kalam, my salute is there. And I think he is one person, who has really showed us the path as to how from the absolutely modest and humble beginnings you can achieve so much. So I feel privileged that I have been given this award of inspirational leadership towards nation building. So thank you. I really enjoyed the whole thing. Excellently organized, and it was a privilege to be here. Thank you so much.
So I'm here representing Ms. Hema Malini. I've come to take this award in place on her behalf, and I would like to express that she's really honored to receive this Shri APJ Abdul Kalam Award. So she thanks the organization as well as Ms. Sonia Mayers for this wonderful honor that you all have given, and it was very nice meeting his family, Kalam Saab's family also here, who were there to actually confer the award. Thank you so much on behalf of Hema ji.
मैं एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम साहब से कभी मेरी पर्सनली मुलाकात नहीं हुई, लेकिन आज इस अवार्ड में मौजूद रहकर मुझे इतना गौरवान्वित महसूस हो रहा है कि मैं बता नहीं सकती, मैं बयान नहीं कर सकती। कलाम साहब न सिर्फ देश के सबसे चहेते प्रेसिडेंट रहे हैं, बल्कि उन्होंने सभी लोगों के दिलों में राज किया है। नॉट ओनली सिर्फ मिसाइल मैन ऑफ इंडिया, बट उन्होंने हमें बहुत सारी चीज़ें सिखाई है, और उनकी एक बात मुझे हमेशा ख़ास तौर पर याद रहती है कि ज़िंदगी में कभी भी हार कर निराश मत होना, क्योंकि मैथमेटिक्स का सबसे पहला अक्षर ही ज़ीरो होता है। तो आई थिंक वी शुड ऑल लर्न अ लॉट फ्रॉम हिम, एंड देयर इज़ अ लॉट टू लर्न फ्रॉम हिज लाइफ। थैंक यू सो मच। आई एम डॉक्टर रुचि बिस्वास। आई एम द फाउंडर एंड medical director of Curefil Cosmetic Clinic, and it's a very proud moment to receive this prestigious and esteemed award, and it feels I feel humble and graceful to be recognized for this esteemed award, Bharat Puraskar Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Award, and I thank the organizers, Ms. Sonia Mayers, my friend, my supporter, my strength, Ms. Smita Parikh, to accolade me and acknowledge me for my relentless hard work, and to the society for my relentless work to serve clinical cosmetology, wellness, and aesthetics and beauty to the people. So I thank you. I thank this award show to present me this prestigious and esteemed award. Thank you so much
for inviting me for this prestigious event, and really honored to receive this award. And I think it's quite a fantastic event by organized by Ms. Sonia Mayers. I think it's good to see that somebody is taking ahead the vision of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. I think thank you so much again.
I'm really thankful to Sonia Mayer ma'am as well as Sheikh sir for honoring us for this award, and I give a tribute to Abdul Kalam sir for giving us India as a big science and mission. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.
So much. I am feeling honored to get this award, and I am a multi-talented kid. I have won many awards in dancing, storytelling and speech. I have been appreciated by India Book of Records, International Book of Records and Global Child Prodigy. I am learning classical dance to spread
dance culture globally. So she has won many awards, and she's a multi-talented kid. She has been recognized as top 100 child achievers over the world. Thank you.
थिंग मुंबई रफ्तार न्यूज़ जो उनके साथ काम करके 2021 से काम कर रहे हैं। आई एम इंटरनेशनल फैशन शो डायरेक्टर लाइक दुबई, ओमान, कतर। तो आज के इवेंट में मुझे बहुत प्राउड फील हुआ है कि ये अवार्ड रिसीव हुआ। तो स्पेशल थैंक मेरे भाई को बोलूँगा, थैंक यू। स्पेशल थैंक मैं ये बोलूँगा कि 2021 से सर के साथ मैं काम कर रहा हूँ एज अ इवेंट मैनेजमेंट एंड फैशन शो डायरेक्टर। तो बहुत प्राउड फील होता है कि हम साथ में काम कर रहे हैं, सारा मैनेजमेंट हो जाता है। इनके साथ काम कर करके मैंने दुबई में भी अपना काम सेटअप किया है, लाइक ओमान, कतर, वहाँ पे भी हम अपना सेटअप करेंगे इंशाल्लाह। तो ऐसे ही सब मिलके मुंबई रफ्तार के साथ काम करेंगे।
मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा कि इस इवेंट में 15 दिन से मेहनत कर रहा हूँ और आज इसका रिज़ल्ट आया है। और आप लोगों ने देखा अंदर की पब्लिक हद से ज़्यादा थी और मुंबई में आना, ठीक उस तरह से यहाँ आना, लोग दूर दूर से आए। तो मैं सबको बोलता हूँ कि थैंक यू सो मच, आपने अपना समय निकल के यहाँ पर आए। एंड थैंक यू सोनिया मैम, जिन्होंने मुझे भाई का, बेटे का दर्जा देकर आज मुझे यहाँ पर स्टेज पे बुला के मान सम्मान दिया। ये मेरे लिए खुशी की बात है। हर शो तो मैं करता ही हूँ, लेकिन ये शो मुझे कुछ अलग ही मिला है। तो मैं चाहता हूँ इसके अलावा मुझे वो कुछ अलग मिलेगा तो उतना अच्छा रहेगा। और रही बात मीराज की, तो मीराज को भी आज फेलिसिटेशन हुआ है और मेरी आपा भी आई है, पर पता नहीं कहाँ है। तो हम एक टीम मेंबर के साथ में काम करते हैं और कल मेरा एक शो है अरबाज खान, अगर समय मिले तो आ जाना वहाँ पर। थैंक यू सो मच।
Mr. Nankumar Bokil, I am a Vastu consultant astrologer. I do a lot of foreign countries and corporate companies. I do business planning, strategy. और ये हमारे बेसिकली 6th जनरेशन है, हमारे फैमिली में एस्ट्रोलॉजी आया है और मैं 6th जनरेशन से हूँ। और मैं पॉलिटिशियंस है, फिल्म स्टार्स है और कॉर्पोरेट कंपनीज के लिए मैं गाइड करता हूँ। इट्स बीन माई पैशन फॉर लास्ट 30 years. थैंक यू।
Yeah, I know Sonia because she was a choreographer in one of the fashion show we organized in Pune with my friend. And she's wonderful. She's a special energy. She's dynamic. She thinks on her toes and she's always active. She's just like a restless energy. And I'm a filmmaker from New Zealand, so I've made a lot of feature films. I've made around 12 films in New Zealand with 21 international awards. And she just introduced me to one of the Bollywood actors. And we just did a short film with her. She came from Bombay to New Zealand and we did a feature film with her just recently, just seven days ago. And I'm launching a new actress. This is Shalu Rajput. So she's going to do a short film with us in Mumbai in next 7 days. Shalu Rajput, if anybody wants an actress or anybody wants a model for their brand promotion, she lives in Mumbai. Where do you live, Shalu? She lives in Lokhandwala. So
मैंने 18 इंटरनेशनल और 13 नेशनल्स जीते हैं और थैंक यू फॉर ऑनर इन मी दिस अवार्ड। आई एम द यंगेस्ट पियानिस्ट।
यहाँ पर आके कितना अच्छा लगा बेटा, आपको अवार्ड मिला, कितना बढ़िया लगा?
मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है कि मुझे इतना बड़ा अवार्ड मिल रहा है। थैंक यू।
मैं संघमित्रा गायकवाड़, आरपीआई की चीफ सेक्रेटरी। अब्दुल कलाम आज देश की सेवा, ये चांद सूर्य जो भी है उधर चांद जैसे सूर्य उनका नाम रहेगा। आज मेरा अवार्ड सम्मानित किया है सोना मैडम मिश्रा, उन्होंने मैं थैंक यू बोलूँगी आणि उनका आभार।
मी महेश शेंडके, पुणे, मेगा ट्रेडर्स। गेले 40 वर्ष मी व्यवसाय करतो आहे, पण आजपर्यंत बरेच नामांकित पुरस्कारांनी मी पुरस्कारित गेलेलो आहे। पण आजचा पुरस्कार हा माझ्यासाठी खूप एक अशा महान व्यक्तीचा ज्यांचा आदर्श आपण कधीच विसरू शकणार नाही, की ज्यांची राहणीमान साधी आणि उच्च विचारसरणी असे डॉक्टर, भारताचे राष्ट्रपती, भारताचे मिसाईल मॅन असे अब्दुल कलाम साहेब यांचा जो मला सन्मान देऊन जो पुरस्कार देण्यात आला, त्यानिमित्त मी पुरस्कारिते यांचा मी मनापासून आभार करतो आणि आपल्या सर्वांचे आभार मानून धन्यवाद देतो। थँक्यू सो मच।
I'm Riyansh Goel. I'm from Mumbai. I'm a 16-year-old and I've just won the APJ Abdul Kalam Bharat Puraskar, and I'm incredibly honored to the image of Abdul Kalam Sahab I know he loved kids so much, and he'd love to be here and look at all the innovation, all the progress that kids have made. So many different youngsters coming up here, winning these awards, doing incredible things for the country. I'm really honored to have won this, especially in a field like AI and emerging tech. And I want to thank everyone who's been here, all the dignitaries on the stage, especially Miss Sonia Myers for organizing this incredible event and having me attend, giving me this incredible honor. And I'd also like to thank my mom, my inspiration to the world, and my entire source of being able to achieve everything that I have. Please. I've been homeschooling for the past 4 or 5 years, and she's got me there to every stage, to every last opportunity that she could find, and made sure that I had the absolute best experience, the most knowledge, and everything that she could do in her power to make me who I am today. Thank you, Mama. Please.
I'm so proud and so honored that Riyansh has today received Dr. Abdul Kalam Award, and such a pride moment for me as a mother.
एक मेरी ज़िंदगी का शायद ये पहला अवार्ड है। कलाम साहब के नाम पर जो अवार्ड लिया गया है, यानी हिंदुस्तान के वन ऑफ द बेस्ट इंसान, एक बेहतर इंसान जिन्होंने हर चेहरे पे मुस्कुराहट लाने के लिए बहुत कुछ किया, यानी हम में से बहुत लोग ये जानते हैं कि कलाम साहब ने अपनी ज़िंदगी में क्या किया। आज जो सहनाएँ या हमारी सरहदें जो महफूज है, उसमें एक बड़ा योगदान कलाम साहब का है। हम परमाणु यानी न्यूक्लियर पावर है तो कलाम साहब की वजह से है। डेफिनेटली कुछ और लोग भी टीम में थे, बट जो लीड लेता है कैप्टन तो वही होता है, जिम्मेदारी लेता है, नींदें रातों की खो देता है, दिन का चैन खोता है और देश की रक्षा के लिए अपनी पूरी ज़िंदगी बिताता है, वो है कलाम साहब। जिन्हीं से और ऐसे 2 और लोग हैं ज़िंदगी में जिनकी वजह से मैं प्रेरित हो गया और काफ़ी कुछ समाज सेवा के काम में आगे आकर लोगों की मदद करने की कोशिश किया।
First of all, I would like to thank Sonia Mayer ma'am for selecting me as a awardee, for selecting my profile as a awardee, and I am a research scholar with 10 publications in international journal, and also a director of Anjali Sakre Valiant Fame Icon Foundation. We as a foundation have major objectives related to sustainable development, and on this stage if we are getting recognition, it is a very prestigious award and an honor for us. Thank you so much.
मी अंजली साखरे आज इथे महाराष्ट्रात झालेल्या ऑनरेबल श्री डॉक्टर अब्दुल कलाम यांच्या पुरस्कार सोहळ्याला मी अवॉर्डी म्हणून होते। खरं म्हणजे हे अवॉर्ड नाही आहे, ही मोठी एक पुन्हा एकदा मिळालेली जबाबदारी आहे की ते जसे मोटिवेशनल आयडेंटिटी राहिले आहेत आपल्या समाजात, त्याचप्रमाणे हे मिळालेलं पारितोषिक आज माझ्यासाठी मी जबाबदारी म्हणून नेत आहे। आणि खरंच मला अभिमान आहे की आपण सगळे मिळून त्यांची मानवंदना म्हणून हे पुरस्कार आपण समाजकार्यासाठी पुढे चालू ठेवू। आणि अंजली साखरे वॅलियंट फेम आयकॉन फाउंडेशनतर्फे ह्या पुरस्काराची मी मानकर्ती राहिली, त्यासाठी सोनिया मेयर यांचे खूप खूप धन्यवाद। सगळ्याच प्रोफाईल्स खूप छान होते आणि जेणेकरून ह्या सगळ्या प्रोफाईलचा समाजासाठी एक मोटिवेशन म्हणून पुढे हे कार्य चालू राहील। आणि मला हे सांगायलाही फार छान वाटतं आहे की ह्या पुढे सोनिया मॅडमबरोबर सुद्धा ASVFI फाउंडेशन आम्ही एकत्रपणे काम करू। त्यामुळे वुमेन एम्पॉवरमेंट जे अब्दुल कलामजी नेहमी सांगतात किंवा म्हणत आले आहेत की वुमेन डोंट ॲक्च्युली रिक्वायर्ड मनी, ओके, शी इज more than for respect, care and love. So henceforth you will see this collaboration with a grand level, and yes, VFI Foundation is with Sonia Mayer, and we will be working together as a great team and the collaborations. Thank you so much. So it's just not an award, it's a responsibility I'm taking home today. Thank you so much for the honor.